When the hell did pineapples become $6?
Dark purple.
Hello, welcome to another special episode of Blame It on the Juice. I am your host, Kayla Amina. For today's juice, I am making purple cabbage juice. If you have been under a rock, this has been a juice that has been trending. I've been seeing a lot of juice creators making cabbage juice. So today I am finally trying it. I'm going to make 2 different versions of it. And this is going to be my first time making it and trying it. So come along on this adventure with me. I'm about to go and get this produce so I can hurry back home and we can get this juice started. Let's go. Let's go. Want to grab a melon. I did like this one. I'm getting some kale, bananas, papaya. Oh, y'all know I am the juice girl. I am the juice mother. I'm coining that, juice mother. But sometimes I do buy juice when I am out. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite brands of juice. It's not many. I'm gonna just show you one brand. The brand is called Raw. They make really good juice, and they're one of the few brands that I see that actually put probiotics in their drinks. And probiotics are really good for our gut health. So I like to get some of these because it's a natural vegan probiotic. Most probiotics are from animals, but when I discovered them, I discovered they use a vegan one. So I've been getting it, and they make really tasty drinks as well that's not too sweet. So I definitely recommend this brand. This is a thumbs up. Thumbs up. I am now at store number 2 and I'm about to get fruit and meet me in the store. I am sitting here wondering, when the hell did pineapples become $6? Or am I tripping? Anyways, let me grab my pineapple. See, what else do I need? We already have grapes and cherries at home. Get you a nice thick ginger root. Can't leave without berries. What's up? We are back from the grocery store. Let me show you some of the things that I got. I started my cleanse today as well, so some of these items are just to replenish the refrigerator so that I have food for the cleanse. If you're interested in seeing my cleanse journey, my detox journey, there will be videos up on my YouTube channel and also on our social media channels as well, where I document my journey through the cleanse. And even check out my ebook about detoxing. We're gonna get into the groceries. I have bananas, of course. Got this little tiny papaya. I have a pineapple. This pineapple is for one of our juices. Here are my 2 very large purple cabbage. I re-upped on some more raspberries, more blueberries, more blackberries, more strawberries. Got a few tangerines just to throw into like my what are they called, like my fruit bowls. I got a bag of avocados, ginger. We love good ginger root. I got these like Rice Krispie squares. These are like the healthier versions in my opinion. Green beans, cauliflower. I'll be making cauliflower tacos tonight, and you'll be able to see that video on my personal page at Kayla Amina. I have onion sprouts, colorful bell peppers, gonzo beans, which are also chickpeas, my melon. Also, we already had a lot of fruit already. My mom had just bought cherries and grapes and a bag of nectarines. So I'm gonna get all of these things put up. I'll take my blender out and we'll begin starting with the first juice. Here is my large purple cabbage. I do have 2 of these. I'm gonna start with 1 just because I don't know how much juice that is gonna make. So I don't want to slice them both up. Yeah, because I also like to eat cabbage. So if this makes enough juice, I'll save that for my meals this week. About to start setting up. I'm only using my blender today. And the first cabbage juice that I'm making is going to be cabbage, ginger, and lime. Something basic. I couldn't decide if I should soak these cabbages or not. I don't know, but I am just going to soak them a little bit with some baking soda. And hopefully, I don't know, something will happen. It'll make me feel better. I let the cabbage soak for a while. So my cabbage is ready. I'm gonna start by putting some in the blender. And I'm gonna blend it with 2 cups of water. I'm just gonna add 1 lime for now, and here's the ginger. Here's a piece of the ginger. I sure hope it's good, or at least tolerable, because I've never made this. And baby, I don't know about the purple drink. It's a real dark, rich purple. Look at the fiber. I've been doing 1 lime for every 2 cups, especially with these limes since they are so freaking strong. You know, I really like to get at least 64 ounces per juice, but we'll see how much this cabbage makes. Right now, we're at 32 ounces, and this is only 1/2 of the cabbage. The other half is here. Our last of that half. Now, I don't recall what other people were putting in their cabbage drinks. I just remember seeing the video. Ginger usually pairs well. Like if you are a person that can tolerate the taste of ginger, it usually pairs well with juices. Whenever I'm making like a basic juice, ginger and lime are the easiest to add in that won't really change much of the taste. Each time I blended it, I didn't pay attention to how much cabbage it was, but I did use a little bit of ginger and 1 key lime for each time I blended it, and 2 cups of water. It definitely smells like cabbage. I wonder what it tastes like. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, reset, and get ready for juice number 2. You know, we do all the berries together, blackberries. And you really want to make sure before you buy them that you inspect them, because sometimes they'll be like dead or molded berries, and you don't want that. Blueberries, raspberries, see? Even with inspecting, you might still get one. Really make sure that you rinse the fruit off, because I noticed, at least with like the raspberries, that from soaking in the vinegar and baking soda, it'll make them like a fuzzy taste. I don't know, which I'm assuming is because of the way that the chemicals react. I'm just saying, make sure you really rinse them off. You rinse them off real good. All right, I'm gonna cut this watermelon This watermelon will not last for a whole week, maybe a few days. It gets eaten pretty quickly when they are good. It looks good. I wonder if it tastes good. Alright, so y'all see the fruit are clean. They're getting dry up in here. I'm gonna let them sit for a minute and then I'll be back to jar them. And I put a napkin at the bottom of this one. It's already collecting some of that juice and moisture. And this one had no napkin. These are for my fruits from last week. You can also, if you have room at the top, put it at the top. I like to put it at the bottom because more than likely all of the liquid is gonna drain to the bottom. The napkins just collect some of the moisture that helps with keeping these preserved for a little while longer. We have a full refrigerator, so I'm glad I only got a little bit of fruit this time. The strawberries taste amazing. Now back to the juice. Alright, so I have the other half of the cabbage right here. The next juice will have cabbage, pineapple, ginger, and lime in it. So yeah, I already have the cabbage cut. Next, I'm gonna get into cutting the pineapple. I'm just gonna put the pineapples in. Then I'm gonna add 1 lime. Dang, I put all these pineapples. And lastly, a little bit of water. As you can see, I'm already at 64 ounces for the juice. I still have more to blend and more in here. It made a lot more juice because of the pineapple. It's really juicy. And I'll probably just add like 1 cup for this little bit. How much we have. And then put it in its jug because we are done. We have over 64 ounces, almost at the 96 ounce mark, 3 quarts of cabbage and pineapple juice. This smells so good. It smells like pineapple. It smells fresh. I actually can't wait to try it. This one is way lighter. Well, it's a little lighter than the other one. The other one was a little deep, dark purple. Wow, look at these. They look so freaking pretty. I've never had a purple juice. I'm gonna try a little bit of both of them. I still have maybe 16 ounces of the cabbage with the pineapple. All right, I am outside getting ready to enjoy my meal, but let me try the juice for you. It's very fresh. It's not an unbearable taste. I can't taste the pineapple or ginger at all. It doesn't taste bad, and it's really good for our health. So I'm definitely gonna finish this drink, eat my meal. This is just a fruit bowl with banana, trail mix, and some of those berries. Be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this is a juice that you would try yourself. It was really easy to make, very simple, and it really doesn't taste bad. If you do recreate this juice, be sure to tag Planting Assets, blame it on the juice show. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, you got the juice now. Cheers.